This is our Coach herringbone bag. I absolutely love this. I love the grey, well, it's an overall feeling of grey, but it's tweed, a wool tweed, herringbone shape, absolutely gorgeous bag. So I am 5'4" and UK size 8, so you get an idea of the sort of size that it is. It's beautiful soft leather on the base. There is just some signs of wear, can you see just there? It's a little, it's not even a scratch, it literally is just a mark in the leather. The leather is so soft. It's got 4 studs on the base, and there is your Coach tag, and of course it has got a Coach little dog tag there as well, and these beautiful leather top handles. And then inside you've got this lovely cabinet space. It has got the press studs on the tops, so it will open for a wider fasten. It's got 1 zipped pocket and 1 flat pocket. Let's show you this Coach ticket there. Okay, now there are signs of wear on the inside. You can see there's just bits of marks there, there's some pen mark there, and also on this side it's just a little bit grubby in places, a little bit there as well. Okay, and then it has got the clips here that you can either clip a key onto, or you could clip it to the other side to fasten it so it doesn't open if you've got your studs open. Really, really beautiful little bag for winter. I just think it's so cute. It's adorable. I just love this wool, and I love the tweed. I love fabrics. I love textiles and feeling things, and I just think this feels absolutely beautiful.